Hi guys, this is Reshwant and you're watching Chai Tutorials. Hope you guys are doing very well. In the last video we have seen what is Java and you got some idea, right? And in this video we will check how to install and how to download and install the Java. First of all, go to your browser and type Java download for Windows or some your configuration. So I am opening the first site, and here you can see a lot of resources like for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux, and for several OS. So based on that, your config, your system, you can download the Java file here. So I'm downloading this file, and it's downloaded here. So you can open this file, and you click on yes, and it will ask to install. So click on install. So I already have in my system I already have installed by Java, so I'm not installing. So if you guys not installed, you can install by clicking on that. So after clicking on install, we have to put some environment variable setup. So for that, what you have to do is go to the file explorer, select Windows C. In Windows C, go to program files, and here you will see Java. So whatever the version we have installed, it will show here. And I have installed two versions, and I'm using 15 version. So here JDK, and you have to here bin, and you have to copy this path. So why we are doing this one, and why what is JDK here? We'll discuss about in the next video. And go to environment variables. Click on environment variables, and here if you see, I have Java home here, right? The same way you can copy and paste here. So for that, what you have to do is select the path and click on new, and here you can say and type Java home and paste the path here. So it's not mandatory for you to copy up to bin. So you can put it like this here, like this. So you can up to bin, it's enough. And after that, you can click on OK. And after that, you can select OK, and here also OK. So after this, we have configured and you are telling the OS like where the Java file it is by setting the environment variable. So after that, open command prompt, and here you can check the Java is installed properly and it's recognized by OS or not. So by clicking Java. So if you see this type of comments something, it seems like it's installed properly and it's recognized by OS. And if you want to check the version, you can type Java space hyphen version. See, I have installed Java two versions, 15 and 1, and I have configured Java JDK 15 version in the environment variables. That's why whenever I type Java, it's showing the 15 version alone. So like this way, you can configure on the Java in your system. So hope you guys understand how to download and install Java and how to configure the environment variables for it.